Here's how to flip a page in Canva. Start by opening Canva and opening the design you want to work on. Once your design loads, you'll see your pages in the main editor. Now, it's important to know that Canva doesn't usually flip an entire page with one single page level button in the same way it flips an image. In most cases, you'll need to select the content on the page first, then use the flip option on those selected elements. Go to the page you want to flip and click on an item on that page, such as an image, graphic, or text box. When it's selected, you'll see a border around it and a toolbar appear. If you want to flip just one object, you can do it right away. But if your goal is to flip everything on that page, select all the elements on the page first. You can do that by clicking and dragging over the page to highlight everything, or by using the Select All shortcut if it applies to your design. Make sure only the elements on that page are selected. Once the items are selected, look for the Flip option in the toolbar. This tool changes the direction of the selected content, either left to right or top to bottom. Click Flip and you'll usually see two choices: Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Flip Horizontal mirrors the content from left to right. Flip Vertical turns it upside down from top to bottom. Choose Flip Horizontal if you want the page content mirrored sideways. As soon as you click it, you should see the selected elements reverse direction on the canvas. If needed, click Flip Vertical instead. That will invert the selected content from top to bottom. You should see the change immediately. If you're working with a single image, you can also click directly on that image, choose Flip, and then pick Horizontal or Vertical. This is the fastest method when you only need to flip one item. You may also notice a rotate handle near the selected object. That's the circular arrow control. Rotation is different from flipping. Rotating turns the item by angle, while flipping mirrors it. A common beginner mistake is using rotate when they really want a mirrored result, so make sure you choose flip for this task. If the flip button doesn't appear, double-check that you've selected a supported element. Some items, grouped layouts, or page backgrounds may behave differently depending on the design. If needed, select the individual elements instead of the whole page area. After flipping, take a moment to review the layout. Text, logos, and directional icons can look wrong when mirrored, so you may need to adjust or exclude those before flipping everything. Once that's done, your flip design is ready, and Canva saves changes automatically as you work. And that's how you flip a page in Canva. Thanks for watching.